Wet, 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 wet. I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all? I get money when I want. I can f her if I want. Maybe you can take it off. I'm not good with the sauce.
This is going to be one of the fastest beats you've ever seen done in your entire life, so fasten your seatbelts. First, I'm going in with So Bougie from the Chocolate Gold palette by Too Faced. Then I'm topping it off with Cocoa Truffle. I'm going to blend that out. Then I'm going to spray my brush and hit up that shade Rich Girl. I've been living for this shade lately, but I spray my brush first so it really pops. You guys will love this shade. I'm loving it. So I'm going to put that in my inner corner as well and all over the lid. This makes it just a glamorous, simple look. Then I'm going to take Decadent in my crease in the outer V, blend it out. Then I'm going to top it off with Love and Cocoa, which is like this burgundy brassy color, and I'm going to put that on top of Decadent so that I have a little bit of a maroon burgundy look going on, and it's more glitzy but not too over the top. And then I'm just going to blend that out. Then I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush just to make sure there's no harsh lines. You know how I do it. And then we're pretty much finished with this eye look after putting Rich Girl one more time in the brow bone, the same shade that we put in the lid. Then I'm going to go ahead and just blend it out with my fingers because it's easier that way. Then I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape and go under my eye. I blended the concealer mostly off camera. So then I went in with the Chocolate Gold bronzer and just bronzed my entire face, down my contour line, around my forehead. And then what I did was I took this Tarte Shayla palette and took that deeper contour color with a smaller brush just to really make my contour line look chiseled. Then I buffed it out. Then I sprayed, of course, because I'm going in with the Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia. I feel like for work, this gives the most natural, beautiful glow. There's nothing like it. Then I just put it on down my bridge of my nose, Cupid bow, hit it one more time on the high points of my cheek. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Colossal Mascara just on the upper lashes, no big deal. Then I took Dose of Color Stone because it's such a cool tone pink. I love it. And that's pretty much the finished look. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace.